It's Tuesday morning, about 9 o'clock, and I'm back at Asprokremmos Dam to have a look at what it's like now. It had rained quite a lot during the night, but there's no huge plumes coming out down below, which is a little bit disappointing. We'll just see what it's like anyway. Looks like I'm a bit too early for the stalls, which is a shame because I quite fancy some leucomades. Oh, there's some selling there.
Yes, please!
Hello!
Hello! C'era che boxe opzione là di Giovanni, c'è do lefty go
So leucomades are available. Right, let's see what it looks like. Go this side first of all. Again, I don't know how much you can hear me, especially as we get closer to it. There you go. Go over to the other side. So it can get a lot more impressive than this. As you can see in previous years where the water level's been, just by looking at all the gravel around there. Back a bit. And with all the rain that's forecast, we should hopefully be in for a treat later on. Fortunately, it's not raining at the moment. Oh! I was going because I was tempted to fly my drone around here, but I've just noticed that there's a rather large power line that goes straight across it where I'd want to fly, so I think I'll be giving that a miss. I might fly from further down there, so nothing up close. That would be silly. In the distance, you probably won't be able to see it here, past that I don't know, lump of concrete, whatever you want to call it, is Phoenicas. I want to go back there and do some filming in a month or two's time, because it will go, all the spring flowers will come out and there'll be a golden yellow, and it doesn't last long, but when it does, it's incredible to see, if it's a nice sunny day, because I filmed it last year and it was daylight today and it just didn't do it justice. But there's the overflow, properly overflowing now. Definitely can't say that's wind assisted. Go back and film it one more time, and then what I'll probably do, as I got the camera with me, is go down to the coast and see if there's anything interesting to film down the seafront. There you go. is actually possible to go round those rocks over there and get an alternate view from there, so I think I'll go and do that now. There's a bin there. You've got to pick your route carefully because it's on 2 levels. In years gone by, I've stuck my 360 camera over there to film it, but once you've got one film like that, you don't really need another one. Just look at our other films and you'll see what that looks like. There you go. The Asprokremmos reservoir doesn't overflow that often. Having said that, in the last few years it has, but prior to that it was about every 7 years or so, which is why it's a big event. So there you have it. It's not the screaming torrent that we had in 2020 yet, but there are more forecasts along the way, and the storm warning is in place till this afternoon, so who knows what it's going to be like this time tomorrow.